Quezon City is the largest city in terms of area in Metropolitan Manila. With more than 3 million people, it is also the most populous city in the Philippines. Due to its growing population, adequate employment and sustainable livelihoods remain one of the biggest challenges for the city's local government. Many residents in the city engage in informal and small-scale entrepreneurial activities such as street vending. In a bid to strengthen Quezon City's food system and support food-related small businesses, the CGIAR Resilient Cities Initiatives partnered with the Quezon City government through the Vendor Business School or VBS program.
The Vendor Business School, a collaboration between the Resilient Cities Initiative and the Quezon City local government. This project is a unique and innovative example of how research can support efforts to making urban food systems stronger and more sustainable. The project responds to Quezon City government and the initiative's objective of strengthening the food markets which serve the people in Quezon City. We are doing this by engaging 140 vendors from public and private markets and temporary vending sites as pioneer participants. We are grateful for their trust in the Vendor Business School and their willingness to engage in this process.
Greetings from Quezon City. Our city's economic system comprises mostly of nano, micro, and small enterprises. They are the backbone of the city's progress and development, providing not only livelihood but also employment opportunities for thousands of Q citizens. To further the development, we are fortunate to partner with the Resilient Cities Project for the first ever Vendor Business School. This pioneering program was launched earlier this year to empower and equip our hawkers, market, and street vendors in Quezon City with business skills and mindsets. We do believe that by doing this, we not only strengthen the knowledge and skills of our vendors, but also make sure that all food consumed by each Q citizen is safe, nutritious, and sustainable. Thank you very much at mabuhay tayong lahat.
Meron po ako isa talaga napaka-importante. Bookkeeping. Keeping record. Yan, yung parang ganon. Kasi dati, eto lang kaya ko nasasabi yon. Kasi dati, yung halimbawa mga pautang namin, nakasulat lang yun sa papel na maliliit. Nakasabi dyan, pagkahinain yan, ipad lahat. Kaya yun, ang ginawa ko, yun na talaga. Naka-record na talaga siya, may date.
Tulad po ito, sa pagre-record po, para alam ko po kung ilan po yung nabebenta ko sa araw-araw, kung ilan po yung ni-record ko dito na nabenta ko. Nagkatugma rin doon sa binili ko, kumita man ako.
Marami po akong natutunan ko, like po yung tungkol po sa kung paano makiharap sa customer, kung paano po alagaan, panatiling maging sariwa lagi, fresh.
Sabi ng isang ano namin, yung pagdidilig daw ng pag-ayos daw ng gulay, hindi raw yan nilulog doon. Kailangan ng patawag igaganon ng tubig. Kasi daw, yung insect, doon sa luluglugan, kung meron ng insekto doon sa una, mapupunta rin sa susunod ng ginagawa. Kaya kailangan siya, nakaano lang, ibubuhos mo lang siya, didilig mo lang talaga siya.
Sa school, meron kaming pinag-aralan na kung paano mo siya i-preserve. Kailangan mo ng ganitong storage, ganun ba? Kailangan mo mga ganung bagay. Meron pala dapat ganun.
Umunlad po yung aming business sa tulong po ng Vendor Business School sa pamamagitan po na gaano ng record ng cash in, cash out, tapos sa timekeeping din po. Nakita namin na mas mahalagaan pa at kaul na rin pa po yung aming kaalaman na natutunan at i-apply ko sa aming pag-negosyo.
Nung nag-umpisa po ako dito sa business school, ang pista ko 3, ngayon po nagiging 6 na po siya kasi nagumalik po ako sa makipag-usap sa mga salamuha sa mga pamamayan katulad ng mga barangay captain, barangay tanod, yung mga
ang mga kaalaman na natutunan ko sa BBS, una, kung paano maging isang entrepreneur, time management,
business record, knowing your customer, increasing your sales, food safety, at saka yung seasonality, at saka climate change.
Natutunan din namin tungkol din sa climate change kasi na bago-bago yung panahon. Halimbawa, kailangan yung mga paninda kung halimbawa kung yung mabilis lang mabulok sir, kung anong panahon ng tag-ulan. Hindi na muna namin binibili. Yun lang muna yung mga matitibay na maitinda namin na pwedeng tumagal po yung buhay niya.
The Vendor Business School or VBS enhanced the management and financial capabilities of QC Market vendors through its comprehensive training program. VBS equipped our vendors with essential skills in business management, financial planning, and customer service, which empower them to upgrade their livelihood. Additionally, the program developed staff of the city as facilitators to support the efforts of the city's Market Development and Administration Department. By institutionalizing VBS within MDAD, the city addresses livelihood and food security benefiting Q citizens. This initiative not only boosts vendor capacities, but also strengthens our local economy and community resilience.